Hello, I'm Juliana Hever, the plant-based dietitian, and this is the What Would Juliana Do Q&A. Today, I'm responding to some comments that I have received about the health at every size movement. No, I do not agree with this philosophy, and for objective reasons. There are plenty of data showing associations between excessive weight or obesity and health implications, adverse health implications. It's associated with increased mortality, increased risk for cardiovascular disease, many cancers, type 2 diabetes, on and on and on. There are so many reasons that a healthy weight is important, and you can't necessarily be healthy at every size. Maybe you can, but statistically speaking, that is not necessarily the case. That said, I do work a lot with weight loss. I have a weight loss support group. I see clients around the world helping them lose weight. Or even I have people that I help gain weight. The whole point is that I use objective standards of measurement. I use the Hamley formula, which is an objective measure of how much a healthy weight range is based on height and gender. Now, using that scale, I encourage my clients and my members of my weight loss support group to find the body type, size and shape and weight and clothing size, everything that they want to be that fits within that range, wherever that is. That could be a big range sometimes because 10% on both sides gives you a lot of wiggle room. So no, I do not think there's anything wrong with someone wanting to lose weight. In fact, I am happy to help anyone do so. I'm also okay if you don't want to lose weight. I would encourage you to do whatever is good for you. I've done videos on this before. One is called Your Body, Your Choice. And it really is a passion of mine that people stop telling people how much to weigh or what to look like or what they should or shouldn't do with their diet, because it's very, very personal. And it's also objective when you look at the scientific data. So I do not subscribe to the theory of health at every size. I think there are some parameters which we need. And, it's not an offensive thing. This is a medical scientific fact. And there's no shame in it. It's a number on a scale. It's a health risk assessment tool. And it's something that someone can change if they want to. But the only thing you can do is do what you want. And I always say you can lead a human to healthy, but you can't make them eat. I don't advise anyone to tell someone, a lot of people won't tell someone, oh, it looks like you're putting on a few pounds. But when someone starts to lose weight, people are really all too happy to say something about how they look too thin. So it's kind of interesting. I think we all need to kind of reevaluate how we talk about weight with other people, and really just it all comes down to how we feel in our own skin, because that's all that we can control. And that's really all that matters, is what you do for yourself. And that is why I talk about this, Choosing You Now. This is the concept. This is the title of my new podcast, the Choose You Now podcast. It's the title of my upcoming book, The Choose You Now Diet. And it is all about making decisions based on what is best for you, not anyone else, not for any other reason except that is your choice. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you for all of your comments and questions. Please keep them coming in the comment section below via direct message or my website, plantbaseddietitian.com. Check me out on my new podcast, the Choose You Now podcast, available anywhere you listen to podcasts, and I will see you here next time.